I know you are waiting for the third installment of this wacky video series. You are intrigued, I assume. Do not fret. Tomorrow, the process shall begin again, and my connection will be cut once more. So, I want to ask you with the little time I have, do you think it will be worth it? The wait between entries of this wonderful world. What do you think? Whatever your answer may be, I want to warn you. Be careful for what you wish for. I know what has and will happen. This story has no sense of direction, yet I will shield you from the truth. And whatever may lie beneath the surface, I will soon make myself known. I will be waiting for you during 1.5. But, for now, you will lay your eyes upon 0.75. Very, very soon.